Hey, welcome to this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So from the box we can already find some important information, like for example there's no power adapter inside the box, and also we can use adapters from 10 to 16 watts with USB power delivery. And also another information, there's support for two physical SIM cards because you get two IMEI numbers and also the DS marking. But also the EAD number gives us information that we can find eSIM support. So that's a pretty standard package. Now we can just quickly take that off and let's see how it looks inside. If you didn't see the unboxing yet, so here we are. That's how the box looks. Let's take a look for some accessories. So in this carton box, we will be able to find things like SIM ejection tool. There's the warranty card, user manual, and over here under this one we can find a short cable. This is the 1 meter length double USB-C cable. There's no power adapter, there's no charger, there's no headphones, there's no any other adapters, unfortunately. Pretty lame from Samsung actually. And over here what we can find, the smartphone. That's how it looks from the back. All of those cameras goes above the back, so if you put it on the flat surface, you can find that annoying effect. So in the most cases, you have to put some case on it if you often use your phone on the flat surface. On the right side, power button, volume button. Those lines all around the build, it's actually the antenna. On the left side, there's no any buttons or ports. At the top, we can find two microphones. At the bottom we can find the USB-C port, microphone, speaker, slim slot for two SIM cards in the nano size, and there's also the S Pen. Looks just like this, the standard one. And right now when we peel that off, we can just find a screen. It's completely flat. There's no any factory installed screen protection. There's the camera on the front. That's how it looks. This is the whole unboxing of this device. If you are looking for some tutorials, you can also find them on my channel.